Hi guys, welcome back to another portfolio update. In this video, I'm going to update you guys on my portfolio in my Merrill Edge account. However, I do have a very important announcement to make too. So let's get started on my portfolio. Right now, my current balance is $73,940.99. In my CMA Edge account, that's my taxable account, there's $36,649.54. And in my Roth IRA, there's $37,291.45. The total money I've contributed to my accounts is $69,024.22, and the total money I've been paid in interest and dividends is $5,352.81. Now, I came to an epiphany today, and that is my investment strategy has completely changed this year. I learned a lot of new things, I tried a lot of new things out, and the way I invest now is completely different. Before, I would just buy dividend companies, companies that pay out dividends, and then just leave it there. Just hold on to them. And just mainly rely on the dividend and focus on the dividend as the core of my portfolio, right? How much dividends I'm making per year, how much dividends that my stocks are paying out. So it was a very dividend-focused investing strategy. However, that's changed. Right now, going forward, I plan to be focused on buying and selling, well, mainly selling options. Selling puts and calls and making money off of the premiums. That is my main focus from now on. And I've realized that Merrill Edge, while they don't charge any fees for buying and selling stocks, they do charge 65 cents per contract when you buy or sell an options contract. And that adds up. Like for me personally, I'm pretty sure I've spent at least a couple hundred so far buying and selling options. And I could have used that money on something else, It's just extra money that I had to pay. Not only that, but I have been using margin. And the percentage I have to pay yearly on Merrill is 7.5%. On Robinhood, it's only 5%. And not even that, it's less than 5% because the first 1,000 is free if you have the Robinhood Gold. Anyways, the thing is, I'm going to move all my money back into Robinhood. And it's so funny because my history with Robinhood is just, it's crazy. At first, I was like, okay, this doesn't charge any fees for buying and selling stocks, so I'm going to go on Robinhood and take advantage of that. And then pretty much everybody started giving zero commission fees, right, for buying and selling equities. But as of right now, Robinhood still has the lowest cost, as far as I know, for buying and selling options, because not only is it free, but they don't charge 65 cents per options contract. They don't charge anything. It's zero. So it adds up, Over the long run, I'm going to be buying and selling options a lot. So even though it's 65 cents each, it really does add up. And I'm going to save a lot of money if I move over to Robinhood and buy and sell options there. Not only that, but I do plan to use margin. And my goodness. Okay, 7.5% on Merrill, right? But 5% on Robinhood, that's a huge difference. 2.5% is a huge difference. I've bought some stocks that only give 2.5% dividend a year. So 2.5%, it's pretty significant. There's some, oh my goodness, there's some high interest, high yield savings accounts that give even less than 2%. And some people pour all the money into those just to get that 2%. So 2%, 2.5%, it is significant. So I'm going to be saving a lot of money. Considering how I invest now, if I move back to Robinhood. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move all my money back into Robinhood. Almost all my money. Because, unfortunately, Robinhood does not have Roth IRAs. If it did, I would move literally all my money into there because I would just roll it over, right? But no, I can't take out exactly all of my money, but I will take out most of it and move it over to Robinhood. So that's my strategy moving forward. And there's no reason to show you my holdings because I'm moving all my money over to Robinhood. I sold all of my stocks, so I have nothing right now. My plan is to move all of my money over to Robinhood, and right now I'm in the process of that. I sold all my stocks yesterday, which was a really lucky move for me because things went down today, on Friday. A lot of the stocks I owned, they went down. And in general too, a lot of the stocks that I've been investing in, they've either been stagnant and just going sideways, or they've actually been down because I've been investing in the recovery stocks, right? And it looked for a while like the US was going to recover well. But then, geez, things just are looking bad right now. A lot of places that open up, they immediately close back down. And people are still getting sick. If you watch the news, you already know what's happening. Disneyland delayed their opening, and they're still closed until further notice. Lots of places are. I thought places would be opening back up by now, but they're not. And for good reason, because we're trying to limit the spread of the disease. It's just sad. And I feel like if people were to follow the rules and wear masks and distance themselves and whatnot, the economy would open back up sooner because the numbers would go down, right? If we look at other countries and how well they've handled it, a lot of them are doing really well as far as recovering, but the US is out of control in some areas. It's crazy. I live in California, and I heard it's getting pretty bad where I am. Now, I guess the good news is that because of this, a lot of stocks are decreasing in price, so it's an even bigger discount than I would hope for. There's a lot of stocks right now that have very attractive prices that I feel like investing in. And I do still plan on investing in the recovery stocks. We can't, I don't know. It can't stay like this for long, right? Eventually things have to get better. That's what I think. If you're already at the bottom, the only way to go is up. Then again, who knows? Maybe we're not even at the bottom yet. We'll see. But yeah, my plan is right now to move everything over back to Robinhood, take advantage of the $0 fees for options trading, and the lower percentage that I have to pay for margin. So yeah, that's my update. And then this is probably the last video I'm making on Merrill Edge. I think the next time I'll be on Robinhood. So yeah, I'll be making more videos in the future. I'll be updating you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.